What's creamy, dreamy, and super healthy? It's Greek yogurt. This versatile dairy product has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that can benefit your body in numerous ways. Packed with probiotics, Greek yogurt is a gut health superhero. These live microorganisms are essential for maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. When you consume Greek yogurt regularly, you're introducing these beneficial bacteria into your digestive system. These friendly bacteria help keep your digestive system running smoothly and boost your immune system. They can aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and even help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Plus, a healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system, which means fewer colds and infections. Feeling strong already, but wait, there's more. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of protein. In fact, it contains almost twice the amount of protein found in regular yogurt. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who wants to maintain a healthy lifestyle, protein is crucial. It helps build and repair tissues, making it vital for muscle recovery after a workout. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or just want to stay fit, this is your go-to snack. It's convenient, delicious, and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Add it to your smoothies, use it as a base for dips, or simply enjoy it on its own with a drizzle of honey or a handful of fresh berries. And let's not forget about bone health. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for keeping your bones strong and healthy. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone density, while vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for keeping your bones strong and healthy. Regular consumption of Greek yogurt can help prevent osteoporosis and other bone-related issues, especially as you age. Think of it as a tasty way to support your skeleton, but the benefits don't stop there. Greek yogurt is also a great source of other essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, magnesium is important for muscle and nerve function, and B vitamins play a key role in energy production. So, next time you're at the store, grab some Greek yogurt. It's a delicious, nutritious powerhouse that your body will thank you for. And remember, not all Greek yogurts are created equal. Look for options that are low in added sugars and high in protein to get the most health benefits. It's a delicious, nutritious powerhouse that your body will thank you for. You can also experiment with different flavors and brands to find your favorite. Some people prefer plain Greek yogurt for its versatility, while others enjoy flavored varieties for a quick and tasty treat. Stay healthy, stay happy. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your daily diet is a simple and effective way to boost your overall health. So go ahead, indulge in this creamy delight and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance and making smart choices. Greek yogurt is one of those choices that can make a big difference. So why not start today? Your body will thank you.